it should be opening up with you here on the top right. So that is your account, right? Creative Cloud. And what we want to do is now create a new project. So we're gonna push on new project. We're gonna give this project a name. I'm gonna call it Art of Surrender. Yeah, same name as my file. And I'm going to store it. You remember I was telling you last time, if you don't do anything, it will store it in, right now, this path. I can decide to store it somewhere else. If I say choose location, I want to store it in my movies folder, the name of this class, 3503, Art of Surrender, yeah? And I want to store it there. And I say select, and basically right now it would store it there, and I say create project. Great. Now, the next dialog, which we have here, is the import dialog. Premiere is asking me to import your files. You navigate to your folder, you double click, you select all, and then you go down here on the bottom right to click import. There you go. Once you've done that, you would come to the edit configuration of the program, where you would see all your files being opened inside your project.